right, let's go over our guided class practice. Number 1, the children in Mrs. Watkins' class collected 258 cans for recycling. They gave 175 cans to the custodian. How many cans do they have left? Well, let's underline the important information first. So it looks like the class collected 258 cans. They gave 175 cans to the custodian. How many cans do they have left? All right, so let's go over here to our workspace and write 258 minus 175 because they gave 175 away. And let's subtract. 5 from 8 equals 3. Cannot take 7 from 5, so we're going to cross out that 2, put a 1 and a 1 in front of the 5. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. 1 minus 1 is 0, so the answer is 83. So let's write our number sentence, 258 cans minus 175 cans equals 83 cans. Okay, number 2, there are 3 orange, 3 green, 1 blue, and 7 yellow tiles in a bag. If you pick a tile without looking, which color will you most likely pick? So let's look back. We have 7 yellow, 1 blue, 3 green, and 3 orange. So since we have the most of the yellow tiles, I think we would most likely choose yellow. And I guess the answer why is because yellow has the most tiles. Which colors will you be equally likely to pick? Okay, orange and green, because they have the same amounts. All right, number 3 says write a number sentence for this array over here on the right. Remember, we always count down first and then across. So we have a 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 array, which equals 18. Number 4, it says measure the sides of the rectangle in problem 3 using centimeters. Once you have measured the sides, how do we find out the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, by adding all the sides of the rectangle together, we get the perimeter. And the perimeter is 18 centimeters. Okay, number 5 says write a mixed number to show how many squares are shaded. Let's count the squares that are shaded. We've got 1, 2, and then looks like we've got how many here? What percent? So we've got 2 holes, and then what fraction? We've got 1, 2, 3 pieces, so 2 over 3. So 2/3, 2 and 2/3 is our mixed number. Number 6, put a red dot at the coordinates 1, 3. Remember, we go across this way first for the coordinates and then up. So we're going to start at the origin, which is 0, 0, and count across 1, then up 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be our red dot. Maybe erase these other ones. At 1, 3. And if we're going to put a blue dot at the coordinates 2, 0, we count over 1, 2, and do we go up any spaces? No, because it's a 0, so we will just put our blue dot right there. So that would be the coordinate 2, 0. Number 7, it says find the answer. 6 divided by 2. Remember, it's the opposite of multiplication, so 6 divided in half equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 18 divided by 2 or in half equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, let's go ahead and do these math problems on the right. 717 plus 208. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 2 equals 9. The answer is 925. The last one, make sure you're noting the symbol again. This is a subtraction problem. 490 minus 146. Can we take 6 from 0? No, we have to borrow from the 9. So change the 9 to an 8. Bring our 1 over to the 0 there, makes it a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And then 4 minus 1 equals 3.